Good morning, student. Last period, we learned till the crusades. Now we will learn from the topic crusades. Are you listening me? Okay. The topic, the crusades. What is the meaning of crusades? The meaning of crusade is a war for religion. What is the meaning of crusade? A war for religion. The crusades were a series of religious wars sanctioned by the Latin Church. It was sanctioned by the Latin Church. Okay. Crusade is a war of religion and it was sanctioned by the Latin Church. Okay. Now, in the medieval period, the crusades was occurred in medieval period between 1095 CE and 1291 CE. The crusade was fought in between the 1095 CE to 1291 CE. Okay. Which believed that fighting a crusade would ensure forgiveness of sins. It was believed that the person who will fight for crusade will be forgiveness by the God, because that war was fight for their religion. Okay. The famous quote of Pope Urban II in 1095 makes it clear that evident. All who die by the way, whether by land or by sea or in battle against the Muslim, shall be immediate forgiveness of sins. A famous statement was on that time that the person who will die, whether by land or by sea or in a battle against the Muslim, have immediate forgiveness of sins, since the Pope. Now, the most commonly known are the campaigns in the Star Mediterranean aimed at recovering the Holy Land from Islamic rule. That is the meaning is crusades. Crusades then most commonly known. It is commonly known are the campaigning in the Eastern Mediterranean aimed at recovering Holy Land from Islamic rule. Why the Turkish had captured the Jerusalem. So the crusade was fight between Turkish and Christian to recover their religious place, Jerusalem. Okay. The Crusades comprised a series of religious wars between the Christian and Muslim, which started primarily to secure control of holy sites considered sacred by the both groups. The Crusades comprised a series of religion wars. The Crusade was a series of religion war fought between Muslim and Christian to secure the control of holy sites considered sacred by the both groups. Okay. Now, after that, we will know the result of crusades. What was the effect of crusade on that time? The crusades brought about significant changes in medieval Europe. The crusade brought so many changes in the life of medieval Europe. These are as under. First, the Christians started the use of gunpowder. Sometime they had learned from the Muslims. After the crusades, the Christian started use of gunpowder. After the crusade, the Christians started the use of gunpowder for fighting. That they had learned. What they have learned from the Muslims. Okay. The second point is the knowledge in the area of science, medicine, and architecture was transferred from the Islamic and Greek word to the West during the Crusades. During the और तेज knowledge in the area of science, knowledge in the area of science, and knowledge in the area of medicine and architecture was transferred from the Islam. That was transferred from the Islam and Greek word to West, to the West. West means European. During the Crusades, that science, medicine, and architecture was transferred. The study of science and medicine and architecture transferred from the Islam. The third point, new scientific discoveries and invention also made their way into the Western world. The various new invention, scientific discoveries and invention also made their way into the Western world. They adopted the so many scientific discoveries and invention at that time. Third, last point, many new towns and cities were established. After the Crusades, many towns and cities were established. The traders and manufacturers demanded better condition of law and order. And after that, the traders means the businessmen and manufacturers demanded wanted to better condition. Better condition means the condition so that they progress their business in without any affair. Okay. Better condition of law and order. And they paid taxes to king and helped him to raise a large army. And also they paid taxes to the king so that the helped him to raise a large army so that the large army can be raised with the help of taxes given by the traders on that time. This led to an increase in the authority of king, and so that this led the giving of taxes an increase, boost up the authority, the power of the king, and a decline in the power of the feudal lords. When the king's power raised, the power of the feudal lords, the meaning of feudal lords means landowner, the mediator between the farmer and administration. Their power is less. After that, the point is Christian monastic order. The fall of the Roman emperor created a void in the political and social life of Europe. When the Roman emperor falls, it created void means be empty in the political and social life, in the all condition of their lives, as social and political also. Thus, many people look towards Christianity. After that, so many people look towards the Christianity. As Christianity spread, the power of church increased, and after that, the power of church were raised due to increase the Christianity. Okay. In 3rd century CE, the concept of a church developed with an elaborate infrastructure. In 3rd century, the concept of a church developed with a elaborate means developed infrastructure, and infrastructure developed in the 3rd century. The power of church. By the 5th century CE, with the passing of 5th century, Christian churches had been set up all over Western Europe. The Christian churches had been set up all over the Western Europe. By the passing of 5th century, the Christian churches spread all over the Europe. Priest lived among the people. Priest, what is the meaning of priest? The monk. What is the meaning of priest? Priest means monk. Monks, the priests lived among the people. They used to live among the people and preached and performed religious rites. They lived among the people and preached their thought and Rites means their routine culture related with religion. They were known as, some British choose to live as assertees. What is the meaning of assertees? Assertees means to control itself as a religious pattern. Okay. Some priests choose to live as assertees in monasteries. What is the meaning of monasteries? Where the religious priests used to live in that time. That is the called as a mutt. Monasteries where the monks were lived. They were known as monks. They were known as monks. The Christians monks lived in monasteries where they pursued their religion mission. The Christian monks used to live in a monasteries where means in the monks in the monasteries, and they pursued. What is the meaning of pursuit? To eager to get eager to get their religious mission. They eager to get their religious mission, and they lived in monasteries. Women who had given up worldly life. The women who have gave up their worldly life. What is the meaning of worldly life? Their family life. Okay. The women who had given up worldly life were known as nuns. They were known as a nuns. The women who have gave up their family life were known as nun. We can say them nuns, and lived in converts, and their nuns were lived in convents and nunneries also. The women who have lived there, who have gave up their family life, were called the nuns, and they lived in a convents and nunneries also. Okay. After that, these monks and nuns lived a Spartan life. These monks and nuns used to live Spartan. Spartan, what is the meaning of Spartan? It's a simple way, as a simple life. The monks and nuns lived a Spartan life. They shunned luxury and comfort. And after that, they shunned, gave up the luxury and comfort their life, because they have to follow the principle of religion which was given by the Jesus Christ and his disciples, and did not marry. And it was the main point, that did not marry. Did not marry? Who did not marry? Nuns were. The monks and nuns lived a simple yet orderly life, and monks and nuns were lived a simple life. They had to follow a very rigid code of conduct. Both, they means both nuns and monks had to follow a very rigid code of conduct. Rigid means hard, means a principle life depend upon principle. They have to follow a very rigid code of conduct, and their day was divided into three parts. It is also known that the day, whose day? Monks and nuns. Their day was divided into three parts. One part for prayer. The one of the three parties. Firstly, they one part for the prayer, and one for sleep, and second part for the they were sleep. What is the meaning of sleep? Sleep means take rest. And the third for intellectual and manual labor. What is the meaning of intellectual? Means rational. The knowledge comes from logic. The third for intellectual and manual labors. The monasteries contain almost everything. That time, the monasteries were contain almost everything for their need of life and manual labor, and one needed a large garden. They had also a large garden, ponds, library, church, and hospital also. It is said that the monasteries contained almost everything like large garden, ponds, library, church and hospital also. Okay. During the medieval period, the church was the only source of education. On that time, during the medieval period, the church was only institution for education. It is also looked after the sick, and church where the person who lived in church also looked after the sick person at that time. The poor and the destitute. What is the meaning of needy person? They also help the poor and needy person. Destitute person. Destitute means needy, who is hard needy. Many monks like Sir Thomas and Aquinas were outstanding scholar and philosopher. Many monks like Saint Thomas Aquinas were outstanding scholars and philosophers. They were outstanding scholars. What is the meaning of knowledgeable person and philosopher? Who was the Thomas Aquinas were outstanding? Who was the Thomas Aquinas? Thomas Aquinas was an Italian philosopher, Catholic priest, and doctor of the church also. Priest and bishops. Now the point is priest and bishops. The priest formed the lowest rung of the monastery. The priests were the lowest rung of the monastery. Monastery means where the monk were lived. Moderate, and they performed religious services. And they what did the daytime? They performed the religious service. After that, religious service in which baptism and conducted marriage. What is the meaning of baptism? To give a trust lesson to a person. It's called baptism. To give a trust lesson related to religion is called the baptism. And conducted marriage, and they also conducted the marriage at that time in the church. The bishops were a rank higher than the priest. Bishop is the rank higher than the priest. They supervise the church in its everyday functioning. Who were supervised? The bishop were supervise the church in its everyday functioning. Among the bishops of the 5 important cities of the Christian church, we know that there were 5 churches in which among the 5, the bishop of the important city of the Christian church, Constantinople, the 5 churches were Constantinople, Rome, Alexandria, Antioch and Jerusalem. There were 5 famous churches in that time, and it is said that the supervised the church in its everyday in 5 cities of the Christian church. Constantinople, the bishop of Rome gained absolute. Who was the senior among them? The bishop of Rome. The bishop of Rome gained absolute supremacy. He took the title of Pope. Who took the title? The bishop of Rome took the title of bishop. Pope. Who is the Pope? The Pope is a bishop of amongst the 5 churches in which there are Rome, Alexandria, Antioch and Jerusalem. The bishop of Rome gained absolute supremacy. He took the title of Pope, and he took the title of Pope, meaning father in Latin. The meaning of Pope is the father in Latin. The Pope of St. Peter's Church became the spiritual head of the Christian. And after that, the Pope of St. Peter's Church became the spiritual head of the Christian religion. However, by the 16th century, the Christian church had many divisions. By the 16th century, Christian church were divided in many divisions. Important among these divisions were the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Western Protestant Church. After division of churches in 16th century, there were two important divisions, which were Orthodox and Protestant church. After that, we will know about the impact of monasteries. What was the effect of monasteries on their life on that time? Monasteries played an important role in the medieval Europe. Monasteries played an important role in the medieval Europe. They are as follows. They are as under. Firstly, they emerge as centers of learning for monks and nuns. They studied various subjects such as literature, art, and religion. In the monastery, it was known that they emerged as center of learning for monks and nuns. Monks and nuns were learned in the monasteries also, and they studied various subjects such as literature, art, and religion. And also, it is known that they studied various subjects like literature, art, and religion also. The second point is many towns and cities built hug churches. After that, the many towns and cities had built hug churches, which become great center of learning, such as the and churches were become the great center for the learning, such as the Cambridge and Oxford universities. The Cambridge University and Oxford University among with them. Cambridge University is collegiate university in Cambridge, founded in 1209 CE in UK. Where is it located? In UK, and it was founded in 1209 CE, 1209 century. And Oxford University is also. Oxford, oldest university in England, English speaking world. Now we'll come to the point. Secular subjects such as history, philosophy, medicine. There that time the subject were taught were secular. What is the meaning of secular? Away from any particular religion, not related to any particular religion. It related to the history, philosophy, medicine, law, and astrology also. They are also taught in these universities. The secular subjects like history, philosophy, medicine, and law and astrology were also taught in that time in these universities. Okay. After that, since printing press and paper had not yet been invented, that was that time there the from the time when the printing press were not available and paper was not available in our life. So the monks wrote books by hand, and that time the monks used to write their thought by with the help of their hand and by their hand on parchment. On the parchment, parchment is used for as a substitute of paper. What is the meaning of parchment? It is a skin of sheep or goats, which were a very useful source of knowledge of the medieval civilization in Europe. That was very useful source of information on that time in the medieval Europe. And third point, now we come to the third point. Nuns and monks educated children. They used to educate the children. Who? Monks and nuns. They also educated the children, treated sick and also treated the sick, look after the sick person. Because on that time churches were a place where the sick person was treated and extended help to the needy and also extended help to the needy person by the church, and where the monks and nuns were do their duty. Okay. Monasteries become important centers where architecture, mural, painting, woodwork, and glass painting flourished. and that time the church was place where the architecture and painting were developed in that time. Now the lesson is finished. We would like to revise shortly from beginning. After that, we will do the exercise, and after you will get the PDF file of question and answer. Now we'll coming to the point, starting point of lesson. We will revise it shortly and fastly. Okay, firstly, the chapter is Advent of Christianity, in which we learn the history. What is the history? History is the meaning study of past. Our historian study the past and put it a systematic way so that we can understand it and gain the knowledge from that. After this, the history divided into further three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern history. After we knew that in India, the medieval period count from the 8th century to 18th century, and compared to this, the Europe counted the medieval period from 600 C to 1500 C. And it is also known that the medieval period witnessed the spread of Christianity throughout the Europe, and it is also witnessed the rise of the medieval period, which had a remarkable influence on India, which led the remarkable influence in India and medieval period. After that, we learned the advent of Christianity. After advent of Christianity, we came to know that advent of Christianity. Christianity was preached by a Jew. We also know that the Christianity was preached by a Jew, Yahudi, whose name was Jesus Christ, who was probably born in 4 BCE, before Christian era, in Bethlehem. And we also know that the counting of time is dependent upon the birth of Jesus Christ. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, the period count in BCE, and after the birth of Jesus Christ is AD, Anno Domini. In Bethlehem in Judah, Jesus Christ also considered the Messiah. We also know that the Jesus was considered also known as a Messiah by the Christianity, and it is considered that he was son of the God. By the Christian began his ministry when he was about 30 years old. In the age of 30, the Jesus Christ began his ministry in the Europe. And however, his understanding of Jewish religion and interpretation of law of Moses clashed with traditional Jews, and that is the reason why the traditional European leader erected by the Jesus Christ. We also know that the Jesus had healing powers and could perform the miracle. What is the meaning of healing power? Remedial power. And Jesus also could perform the miracle. Okay. Thus, he attracted large crowd which dated the Jewish people, and so that Jesus could attract the large crowds, and this is that thus that is irritated the Jewish leader, and that was the reason why the Jewish leader irritated by the Jesus Christ. After that, we learn teaching of Jesus Christ. The teaching of Jesus Christ were simple and were summarized in the Jewish Bible, which Christian call the Old Testament. All the lesson given by the Jesus Christ summarized in the Bible, which called the Old Testament by Christian. Okay, and he thought that our love for God should be unconditional. Jesus taught us that our love for God should be unconditional, because a true love cannot be done with the help with the condition situation. Okay, and good should, he also thought that the good should triumph over evil, and he also considered love for neighbor to the very important. He also considered the love for neighbor is very important. After that, the teaching of Jesus are recorded in the 4 canonical Gospels. All the teachings of Jesus Christ were summarized in the 4 canonical Gospels. What is the meaning of Gospels? Is a group of his principle given by the Jesus, who summarized Her disciple, summarized by his disciple. Who were his disciple? Mean John Matthew and John Mark, John Luke and John were his disciple, and they summarized the Gospels. After that, we come to the point crucifixion of Jesus Christ. What is the meaning of crucifixion? Crucifixion was a traditional death punishment given by the Roman to the criminal person, not only for Jesus. Palestine at this time was under the control. We also know that the Palestine was under the control of Rome at that time. The Jewish community made the Rome also believe that Jesus was a threat to them and their religion. And the Jewish community succeeded to believe that the Roman person, that the Jesus was threat to them and their religion also. Thus the Romans arrested Jesus, so that the Romans arrested the Jesus and charged him with the sedition. What is the meaning of sedition? To mutiny. He suffered death by crucifixion, and he suffered death by the crucifixion in 30 CE. After that, the day of crucifixion is celebrated as Good Friday. We also know the what is the celebration? We celebrate the Good Friday, which is eve of death of Jesus Christ. And Christians believe that after his death, Jesus came back to the life on third day. And also it is believed by the Christianity that Jesus came back on life after his death of third day. This is known as resurrection, to come in the life again. What is the meaning of resurrection? Come into the life again. And is celebrated as Easter. We just celebrated. This is called the Easter in Christian word. However, by 300 CE, the Christianity had spread throughout the Roman Empire and even beyond the Armenia and Persia, largely due to the efforts of Saint Paul and other apostles. What is the meaning of apostle? A group of 12 people chosen by Jesus Christ to teach his thought, and Saint Paul was one of them. Understand? Okay. And after that spread of Christianity, we know the Roman Empire. Constantine followed a policy. There was an emperor named the Constantine, who followed a policy to tolerance towards the Christian Constantine and built a new imperial capital at Byzantine, which was called Constantinople. Present day Istanbul is called the Istanbul. The city had Christianity style architecture, and the city had Christianity style at that time, and Christianity became the official religious in the Roman Empire. By the 4th century, it is also known that the Christian religious become the official religion in the Roman Empire. Constantinople, the Greek initial for Christian is Cyril and banner also. After the spread of Christianity, we learn the division of the Roman Emperor. We also know that the Rome was not built in a day, and neither did Rome fall in a day. It is a famous statement that Rome was not built in a day, and neither did Rome fall in a day. When the Emperor Theodosius died about 60 years after the foundation of Constantinople, there was an emperor named the Theodosius. He died after establishment of new capital, new imperial Constantinople. He left two sons. They had the two sons, and the first is Arcadius and the second is Honorius. After that, there were many factors which led to the decline of Roman Empire. What was the reason of decline of Rome? We learn as under. That points were Christianity was less tolerant of other culture and religion. For example, Emperor Theodosius ended the Olympics game because they honored the Jews only. They honored the Jews, so that the Emperor Theodosius stopped the Olympic Games because that Christian was less tolerant. The second point, Roman soldiers were loyal to their military. The Roman soldiers were loyal to their military leader instead of their emperor. And third point, a falling economy caused a lot of problem for a vast empire. A falling economy was the most important reason for the decline of Rome also. Heavy and unjust taxes upon the middle class led to unrest, and it was imposed by a heavy taxes by the emperor to the normal people. That was a reason also for the falling of Rome. Rome Romans become lazy and comfort with time, and Romans were become the lazy and comfort on that time. That was a reason also. And fourth reason, Romans hired barbarian mercenaries to guard the border of the emperor. However, this plan backfired with barbarian invented, and Romans hired the barbarian for their security purpose, and they backfired against the Romans. After that, we learned the barbaric invention. There were who were the barbarian in the Europe. There were five major tribes: the Huns, Franks, Vandals, Saxons, and Visigoths are known as the barbarian. Barbarian is not only a single; it is a group of five tribes like Huns, Franks, Vandals, Saxons, and Visigoths. All of them hated Rome. All of them hated Rome. Each of the barbarian wanted to destroy the Rome. Okay. After that, we come to the point. Rise of Byzantium. The Eastern Roman Empire is sometimes called the Byzantium Empire after the capital of city, Byzantium, Greek. Okay. After that, emergence of the Turks and Mongol, 6th to 13th century. We also know, parallel to the development of this period, also saw the rise of Turks in that time and Mongols. The Turkish and Mongols both were belongs to Mongol. And after that, we come to the Crusades. The Crusades were a series of religion wars sanctioned by the Latin Church. I already know that. What is the meaning of Crusades? The meaning of Crusades is religious war between the Muslim and Christian. It fought between 1095 C to 1291 C, which was believed that the fighting in a crusade would ensure forgiveness of sins. After the famous quote of Pope Urban II in 1095 makes it clear that evident that all who die by the way, whether by land or by sea, or in battle against the Muslims, shall be immediate forgiveness of sins. There shall be forgiveness against the sins. What is the meaning of sins? Meaning of sins in paap karma, galat kaam, bad work, criminal work. It can be actually crime work. After that, result of crusades, we know the result of crusades. The Christian started use of gunpowder also. That so many points I have taught you just before. After that, Christian monastic order. We also know the monastic order of Christianity, in which how they lived and how they served the people, needy people. We also know. After that, priest and bishop. You know about the priest and bishop. And however, by the 16th century, the Christian church had many divisions. After that, we know that in 16th century, the Christian church had many divisions. Europe, among these divisions were Eastern Orthodox and Protestant church. And after that, the last topic is impact of monasteries. The monasteries played an important role in the medieval Europe. After the rise of Christianity, the monasteries played an important role in the medieval Europe. We know that these pointed the merge of center of learning for monks and nuns. They studied various subjects as literature and art and religion. And many towns and cities built hug churches. So many churches were built in the many cities. This was the impact of crusades. Right. And after that, nuns and monks educated children. They used to educate the children. Who were used to educate the children? Nuns and monks are. Monks were used to educate their children at that time. And treat sick people and also treat the sick people. And extended help the needy and also extended to help the needy person. They did. And last point, monasteries become the important center where architecture, mural, painting work, and glass painting flourished. And there were so many tasks were flourished in the churches like architecture, painting, and woodwork and glass painting also doing in the church and that time. Now we come to the exercise. I am reading thoroughly. You listen it, and it will be sent to you by PDF file. Fill in the blanks. Who was one of the most outstanding Christian scholars and philosopher of the Middle Age? Answer is Saint Thomas Aquinas. The second is, until the discovery of the sea routes between Europe and Asia, trade was in the hand of the dash. Who was in the Arabians? Answer is Arabians. And third, the Crusades were fought between 1095 CE to 1291 CE. Okay. The fourth, Christian monks and nuns lived in simple, ordinary life. They were used to live in a simple and ascetic life. Okay. The fifth is, who is the spiritual head of the Christian? The Pope is spiritual of the head of Christian among the 5 churches. You have know about that. The second B is, match the following. The question is birth of Jesus. Answer is of 4 BC in Bethlehem. You note down that. The second is crucifixion of Jesus. Answer is A, 30 CE. Finish. Now the class is going to over now, and PDF question answer will be sent to the group, and you will note down from there. Okay. And the next chapter, the emergence of Islam will be taught in next